recognition of your sentiment and support. The Overseas Filipino Morals Committee. Dear Dad, is a born-and-bred Malayan resident. It is a plan of appreciation of his dedication and loyalty to the school. Which has achieved our goals and victory in our people. Even this day, 25th day of October 2019, is the morning summer. Kaya makalimutan sana. Signed by Mr. Joel
Walang iyakan, pre! Yay! Walang iyakan!
Kayo, magpa-picture kayo sa kanyo. Picture. Ay, magpa-picture kami.
Picture ko. Punto kay Bon.
Sige, picture mo, Las.
Naka-video to, Papa! Wow! Easy!
Ayos, pa-cute po.
Iiyak na yan.
Iyak